It's recording.
Hello everyone, it's me, Dr. Rose, and today we're gonna make some good drinks. What would you like?
Can I have some vanilla milkshake? A large one.
That are cold?
No, it's a cold, a cold vanilla milkshake.
Okay, coming right up. What this? Okay, I think that's a yes. And of course, you're gonna get this one. Okay, wait, I just missed the one. Wait, guys. Okay. Time to put the water. Okay, time to get the water. I'll put in the
Kuya's making your drink, your vanilla milkshake.
Okay. Here's your drink.
Thank you.
Here.
Halika, cheers. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So vanilla. Thank you. Here's our payment. Give Kuya your payment.
Thank you. Bye everyone, and I'll make a part 2. Bye bye.